everyone, and maybe your mother has heard of ChatGPT. It is an artificial intelligence language program built by a company called OpenAI.
Now, with the arrival of chatbots like ChatGPT, suddenly AI seems a lot closer to fact than fiction.
AI has burst into our imagination, our culture, and our daily lives.
A new class of AI has been unleashed.
Nobody had any idea that 100 million people would start using these things.
Google, Meta/Facebook, Microsoft are in a race to introduce new artificial intelligence systems.
The AI race for search, it's on.
The artificial intelligence company OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT 4.
AI is certainly rising to become an essential tool of many industries. As a small business, you wonder how much you can rely on AI to automate your accounting and finance function. Hello and welcome to the XQCPA channel, where we share with you the latest and greatest tax and business tips and tricks. Is AI good enough to replace your accountant? Not quite. Here is why AI will not replace accountants. To begin with, we do not want to minimize the impact of technological advancements and how some accountants are using AI to assist in their work in the accounting industry today. However, AI simply cannot replace an accountant on your finance team.
First and foremost, there's a lack of adaptability in the areas where problems may need to be solved with out-of-the-box thinking. For AI, when there's an issue, an error message will pop up rather than a solution. Real human accountants will encounter an error and work through correcting it, even if it takes multiple creative attempts to resolve the issue. And yes, human error does exist, but so do glitches in the system. In addition, AI cannot differentiate and understand tone in writing, and it has no measure of nuance in a conversation, so you should not trust a chatbot to interact with you as your accountant. It could generate a misleading answer if it misinterprets your question and potentially leads you down a harmful path for your business goals. Instead, consult with a real accountant, whether in person or by phone call, so that you can make sure your intentions are well understood. Meanwhile, one of the most important areas AI cannot replace a human accountant is planning and preparation. AI's instant response is nice to have, but when it comes to important financial decisions, you need a seasoned accounting professional who can guide you through those vital moments of growing your business. AI can be used to gather data and make calculations, but ultimately, it cannot make decisions for you.
While it is true that you cannot solely use an AI to replace your accountant for your small business, an accountant could use AI to boost productivity of his or her work. For example, an accountant can use AI to analyze a large set of data rather than sifting through hundreds or even thousands of transactions individually. This allows the accountant to be more efficient with their time and create a more detailed and customized report for your business needs. There is no doubt that using AI intelligently could boost your business's efficiency by eliminating many menial clerical tasks. But when it comes to reviewing and validating the accuracy of financial statements, you will need a real human accountant to be involved. According to a Sage survey with 3,000 real accountants, the majority of the industry believes AI to be a useful assistant to maximize efficiency, not a complete replacement for their work. So make sure you do not solely rely on the latest ChatGPT bot, or else it could turn into a financial disaster. In conclusion, understanding financial statements is not an easy task, especially for a non-accountant. In this day and age, many seem to believe in seeking quick solutions, hence, they think they should turn to an AI for almost anything and everything. However, the truth of the matter is that many business decisions come from human discernment through regular interaction, discussion, brainstorming, and more. Is it wise to rely on or even listen to a robot during moments where critical decisions need to be made? Anyone with the ability to discern should have the answer. For further rating, refer to the linked articles in the description. Thank you for watching today's video. As always, we would appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to provide amazing content for you. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.